Morning, everybody from Lakeland, Florida. I'm here at the Carlisle, Lakeland, Florida Classic Car Auction. We're here to see what we can see. I'm not sure how much of the actual auction I will be able to record. So I'm not sure how many of these we're going to know the prices on. It's Friday. It's the first day of the auction. This is a nice truck. Check out this Charger, boy. '67. Love it. The Charger. 71. This one's cool. I'm gonna have to change the setting on this so I don't have to get back so far from these. All right, let's see if this looks any better. Here's a 71 Charger. 54 Studebaker. These are cool. That one's pretty. Check out that blower. It's 79. Blue and white. Looks pretty good. Somebody's kitty cat. I don't know if you can see that. Somebody's kitty cat's been. '88 Fiero. I don't know if you'll be able to see the interior, boy. It is clean. It's very clean. It's a good looking car. I like those. That'd be fun. I like these too. TR8. This would be fun to drive. '80. Also looks pretty good inside.
Also, the other like we let the car does not sell on the block. You want to work at a deal, purchase that car. Head over to the Still for Sale box and speak with our Still for Sale team. We have Chris Bierhauser and Brett Troxel. They'll be helping you purchase those cars that do not sell as they cross the block. Mind you, if you have an interest in a car that did not sell as you cross the block, I urge you to get over to the Still for Sale desk because those cars can sell very quickly after they leave the block, so don't hesitate. Now handling all the technical aspects of our sales, we're internet bids and our live stream is making less than car and finding our biggest way to go you need. And your code today is now. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we're going to have the national anthem here on this Veterans Day. So, please rise. I remember the call because we could not be able to do here today without your dedication and service. We see a Carlisle team member. If you have any questions, all the answers across the block are sold as is where it is. Now we're going to go ahead and start with our first item of memorabilia here. They're about 10 minutes, so we're going to go through these. This is lot number 85. This is the porcelain dolls, lot number 85.
Here we go. You're going to buy choice. Buy choice. There's 5 of them. You're going to buy the 2. You take one or all. I'm going to put it in.
Up next, lot number 86 is something that Bacon Group calls a lot. Each one is a set. Lot number 88, the Little Jimmy Armies, complete lot as a set.
All right, so we're going to walk into the auction block. It's going to be a little loud. Looks like they're bringing them in backwards than last year, so we'll see them coming in.
8,500, 8250, 85. Sold 8250. Sold 8250. 606.
Lot number 111 is a 1988 Chevrolet Camaro, believed to be 46,000 original miles on it. How the title will see.
I don't believe that one's sold. Dodge Polara. I got to 13K, but I don't believe it's sold. $2,500, no sale, I believe.
Please note, the title is in transit on it as a water.
Hanging on, rolling 28, get it on 7 of the day, 28,000 on the day, get it on 8, get it on 7 of the day, 49,000, 48 million, 29,000 on the day, get it on 9, and then 29,000 on the day, get it on 8 million, get it on 9, 49,000 on the day, get it on 8 million, get it on 9, 49,000, get it on 8 million, get it on 9, with a 29 here, 48 million, get it on 49,000. Return is off. I have a 29. I get it on 8 million, get it on 9, get it on
29 grand, reserves off.
29,000. Reserves also 29,000. Sold 28,500.
That one's sold for 28.5.
It does show one repaint in its history. It's a road well. It can be enjoyed daily over the
20, get it up, 20, get it up, 15,000 on the day, get it on to 10 here. Get it on 10, get it on 10, get it on 10, get it on 10, get it on 10 here. 2, 3, have it on 3, 4. Get it on 4, get it on 3,500. Get it on 3, 35, 4. Get it on 4, get it on 35, get it on 4, get it on 4, get it on Harley truck. Get it on 4, get it on 35, get it on 4, get it on 4,000. 35, get it on supercharged here, 35 and 4. Get it on 6 here. 55 on a Harley truck, 6,000. 55, get it on 6,000 going once. Get it on 55, get it on 6,000 once. 55, get it on 750, all done, get it on 7. Now 6. Sir, now you're at 6. Reserves off, 6.
Reserves off there at 6 grand.
6,000. Hey, you got the 2,000 on it, and you would say 57 now and down. So 57.50. 57.50.
57.50 for this truck.
17 to 2005.
Dodge Magnum. I actually don't know if that's sold. It was about 6 grand, 6,500. I do not know if they sold it though.
36,000 verified miles. Never paid, never damaged. Family owned. Garage kept most of his life.
I have it on 25,000 on a day, get it on 5, here, get it on 20. Hey, get it on 20, get it on 15,000 on a day, 7, 8. Hey, get it on 9, have it on 9, 10. Hey, get it on 10, 11. Hey, get it on 11, 12. Hey, get it on 13. Have it on 13, get it on 13, get it on 13,000. 13,000 on a day, get it on 13, get it on 13 here. 5, 13, 12, 5, 13, get it on. Have it on 12, you're on 13 here. 12, 5, 13, thank you, 5. Hey, get it on 5, get it on 13, get it on 5, 5. Hey, get it on 14, last off. 14,000 on a day, get it on 14. I'm on 13, 5, get it on 14, last off. 14,000, all on 13, 5, 14,000. Close to 13,500.
14.5, I believe that's a no sale.
8,500. 8250, 8500, 8250 to bid, 8500, 8500 to your loan, 8500 here, 8250 to bid, 8500, 85 here, 85, 8750, 8750, your hands up, 8750, 85, 85, 8750, 80 your hands up, 8750,
8,500. It's a no sale so far, but he says he's close. Probably trying to get 10 out of it.
5,000, sir. 5,000. 45, big, get a double of a 5,000, under D, get a double 5 here. And get a double of a 5,000, under there. 45, big, get a double 5. And get a double 47.50, healthy. And get a double 47.50. 45, 47.50. Now 5,000. 47.50 to be in 5 here. And get a double 7.50. Internet, you're out. 47.50, 5,000. And get a double 5 here. 47.50 to be, get a double. Reserves off. Reserves off. I get it out 5,000. I get it out 7. Reserves off. I get it out 5,000. I get it out 5. Get it out 5. Sold 47.50.
All right, lot number 125 is a 1965 Jaguar 3.8S. Miles rate exempt on the title. It's a 1965 model Jaguar 3.8S. Ladies and gentlemen, now pay attention here. One owner Jaguar. Lots of receipts go with it. Come take a look at the 65 Jaguar.
I have a little time on a Jaguar, a little time, taking a note tonight here. Okay. I have a little time, taking a note tonight here. A little time, taking a note tonight here. Hey, get it out, get it out, 15, get it out, 10 pound, a Jaguar, you have anything, get it out, 10 here. I need the owner, please, get it out, 10, get it out, 10, get it out, 8 here. Hey, get it 8. 5,000, 5,000 out of here, get it on 5 here, get it on 5. Hey, get it on 5 here, get it on 5,000 out of here. Selling at no reserve. 5,000 out of here, get it on 3,000 out of here, get it on 3, get it on 3, get it on 2,000. Hey, get it on no reserve, 2, get it on 2,500. Hey, get it on 5, get it on 2, get it on 5, no reserve, 2,500. Hey, get it on 105, 2,500. Hey, get it on 225 here. 255. Who didn't know that? 25. 255. 750. Hey, get it on 750. 25. Roll it. Hey, get it on 750. Hey, get it on 750. 25 and about 750.
That's Ted Vernon of South Beach Classics looking at that Jaguar. I think he heard no reserve and perked his interest.
750. Roll it. 25. Please take the car out. 20-something. 27.
26 and 19.
On the upcoming, get it out of 25 here, get it on 20. Hey, get it out of 25, out of here, get it on 15, here, get it on 10. Hey, get it on good driving car, get it on 3, 4. Hey, get it on 4,000, out of here, get it on 4, get it on 3, get it on 4 here. Hey, get it on 35, 4. Hey, get it on 4, get it on 35, here, get it on 4, get it on 4, get it on 5. 4,500, 4,500. Hey, get it on 4,500. 4,000, 4,500, out of here, get it on 5 here. Hey, get it on 4,500. 4,000, 45, 5 and about 5. Only 5,000 you, sir. 45 and then 5 here. 47 and then 5 here. Hey, get it on 5, get it on 5, get it on 5 here. 47 and then 5,000. Hey, get it on 5, get it on 7, get it on 5 here. Hey, get it on 5 here, 7, get it on 5. Let's go. 5,000 any better? 7, get it on 5, get it on 5,000.
47.50. I believe that's a no sale.
5,500 at reserve, 5 55. 1,000, 55. And 50, 500 on there, 500, 500 on 55, 55, 500, and 52 and a half. Now 5, 5,500.
52 and a half, 55. And $500, $500 now, $500, $500, $500 now, 2 and a half, 5. And $5,500, $500 now, $700 now, $500 now, 55 grand. And 250 now, 50, $500. What do you think here, Kitty? $500 now, 500, 52 and a half, 55, 52 and a half, 55, 500, 5,500. This is good. And 50, $500 now, 5,500. Those are the 52 and a half. See, this is still for sale.
5,200 knots, no sale. Gotta be 6,000. $5,000, 6,000. And $5,000 nails, $6,000 for grand. You gotta be 6, my friend. $6,000 for the whole truck. Yep, wheels, tires, the whole deal. $6,000. $5,000, 6 grand. Give me $5,500 before we go. 5 grand. 55. 55 bucks. $5,055. Philip knows from experience don't do that. 55. Roll that truck. 55 bucks. And $5,000, 55. 5,500, 55, 55, when you're ready. 5,500, 5,500. 500, 55, 55, 55, 52, 55, 55, 55, 55, 2.5. You gotta do 5. And you can do 5. So you can do 55, 55, 7,900, 7,900, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 2,000, 65, 65, this is right. 65, 6,000, 65, 67, 6,500, 6,500, last call, 67. What's the mileage on that, Joe? 67, 67. Hummer's still going. 65.
67.50, last call. So 6,500 feels like
6,500 for that Hummer.
1 to 130 is a 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Right owner car for 43 years, ladies and gentlemen. The miles will stay exempt on the title due to the age. Oklahoma car, matching number 350 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering and power brakes. What an opportunity on the Camaro.
30,000, 30,000, 18 deputy all black, 18,000, we take maybe 24,000.
No sale for 23 grand. All right, guys. The auction's really just kind of getting started. As you can see from some of the footage there, Friday, especially early in Friday, they tend to start with some of the cars that are not necessarily classics. Right? Some of them, sometimes they're just old cars. some of these classic car dealers will get trade-ins, you know, and they'll try to unload them here. And some of them are arguable one way or the other, like this Jaguar here. This is a 95 XJS. I mean, is that a classic or is that just a old car? I mean, it depends on your perspective, I guess. Again, there's a butt for every seat, as they say. In general, it's a little bit disappointing. In general, it's a little bit disappointing, the inventory they have this year. Kind of wish I could stay longer and see more go across the block. See, I was just saying, some cars are just old cars. Like this Cadillac right here, though, I'd love to have. Some people would just look at this 84 Coupe de Ville and be like, who cares? But I love it. It's pretty. Look at that. Look at that. It's smooth like butter. I'd love to have this thing. I mean, it's mint. It looks mint. It really does. It's pretty.